Hi, today I am going to show you how to solve simultaneous equations. I received a couple of emails and some messages from my inbox with people requesting that I should solve some problems in simultaneous equations. So I have a couple of them here. I'm going to solve each of them. I'll solve one after the other. What you will do is try to play this video over and over again until you master it. What you can also do is you can pause the video and then you can try to solve it by yourself and see without looking at the video. Then you look back again and see if you got it right. That will help you master these simultaneous equations that I'm about to show you. Thank you. If you look, if you look at the board, we have 6x plus 5y equals to 62, and then we also have 4x minus 5y equals to 8. This this is what we call simultaneous equation. We are going to solve both of these equations um, at the same time. It is one of the questions that I received. So let's say here, if you look at it, the most important thing that you should remember in solving simultaneous equations, if you look, if you see two different symbols, we have plus and minus here, and then you have the same numbers appearing here. If these two symbols shows you that you are going to add this equation, and we need to do away with of of um, one of the letters. So we are going to use an elimination method to solve this problem. So if you look at it, we have, let's say we have, this is 6 plus 4 here is giving us 10x to be equals to, here we have to cancel this because um they have they have the same letters, and when you have, we we are trying to eliminate one of the equations, so we are left with 62 plus 8. So 62 plus 8 is 62 plus 8 is 70, I think so. We have 6, 2, we have 8, and then we have this is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10, so I write 0, carry 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7, so that is 70. So here I have 10x to be equals to 70, so that I am going to divide both sides to find the value of x. So 10x divide 10 is equals to 70 divided by 10. So if I divide this, I'm going to have x to be equals to 7, because 70 divided by 10 is 7. So I have my 7. So my x is equals to 7, right? So I have got my 7. Now I need to find the value of y, since I have gotten my x, because we are solving the equations simultaneously. So I need to find my y. So I will need to substitute the x in any of these equations. So looking at this, any equation of your choice here, you can take any one and substitute to get your value. So I'm taking this equation 2. So I'm taking this equation one. The the space is now in. So let me come down. So I have 6x plus 5y to be equals to 62. Here you need to write the original equation back before you substitute the value. Now, instead of writing x, you need we are going to replace it with this 7 because our x has become 7. The value of x is now 7. So I have 6 times 7 plus 5y to be equals to 62. And then um, if it's 6 times 7, it should be 42. Then 42 plus 5y is equals to 62. So I have gotten a linear equation. So now it is very easy for me to do. I'm going to move 42 to that side. So when a positive number moves to the other side, it becomes negative. So we say that 5y is equals to 62 minus 42. Now, what do we have? If I have 62 minus 42, it should be 0, and it should be um, 2, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So 5y is equals to 20, right? Now I need to find the value of y by dividing both sides by 5. So I have 5y divided by 5 to be equals to 20 divided by 5. And obviously, the value of y is 20. So 5 divided 5 is 1y. Then um, 20 divided 5 is 4. So our y is equals to 4. Now we know that x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 4. So this is very simple. You can play this video again and again and again, and then try to solve this problem by yourself without looking at the video, and then try similar exercises and see if you can get them. Then come back, watch, see how I explain. um, I'm going to, in fact, try to check back because I will solve more problems on simultaneous equations so that you will get used to them as you continue to watch my steps. Thank you. On to the next problem. Let's look at this problem. Here we have 4x plus 2y is equals to 50, and then we have x plus 2y to be equals to 20. So if you look at this problem very carefully, we have the same letters together, and then we also have the same numbers and letters attached together. So if you remember what I say to you, when you see two letters, when you see the same symbols and the same numbers appearing, you need to subtract. But if you see different symbols here, then you're supposed to add this the equations. If you remember this technique, it can be very easy for you. Remember, if we add this and this, we're still going to get, but it is not going to give us what we want. Our main problem is to do away with one of the equations here. We need to eliminate one. So let's say, if I say 4x minus x. I am going to have um, I'm going to have an x, I mean 3x left, right? I have 4x, then I have an x, so I need to subtract one of the x here, so it means that I will have 3x left. This is 3x, then 2y minus 2y is 0y, so I'm going to come here. I have 50 minus 20 is going to give me 30. Remember that we are subtracting. We have same symbols, so we are subtracting in this equation. We are subtracting. Okay, so now we divide both sides by 3. So I have 3x divided 3 is equals to 30 divided by 3. So obviously my x is equals to 10 because this cancels and then here is 10 times. All right, so we have gotten our x value. Wait, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. We have gotten our x value to be 10. Now we need to find the value of y. So I'm going to substitute. You can choose any of the two equations here to substitute from to get your value. So here I'm going to substitute from equation 2. So let's say I want to find the value of y. Already I have gotten x to be 10. So you will rewrite the original equation. Do not change anything from the equation. Just represent it as it was. So this is x plus 2y equals to 20. Now, here our value of x is now 10. So I have 10 plus 2y equals to 20. Now, I need to move this 10 to this side, but if I move it now, it will become minus. So it will become a negative number. So I'm going to say this is 2y. Remember, this is a linear equation. So when you move it, you subtract. So this is 2y equals to 20 minus 10, right? So 2y is equals to 10. So obviously our y value is 5. The value of y here is 5 because 2y divided by 2 is equals to 10 divided by 2, and then y is equals to 5. All right, so that's it. So simultaneous equations are very simple, very easy to solve. You just need to pay attention and watch the video carefully, and you'll be able to do them. If there are any problems, you can always write to me, or you can put it at the comment section, and definitely I can come across it. This video will be played on here on YouTube and on Facebook and Twitter, so you can follow all those channels, and definitely you'll be able to view them at any time of your choice. Thank you.